gonna work today on a clock. So I have the base. I put first a coat of gesso. The gesso that I use is a gesso from Golden. This is the brand that I use. I will leave you the information in the links below the video. And I'm going to use a base that is going to be a burgundy color. I use normally my base colors to go because of the chemicals that they have. Help a lot to create the effect that I want. I'm going to use permanent blue violet. I'm going to use permanent red violet, magenta, some piggy. This is pigment mixed with some medium that is hostile. The name is hostile. I'm going to add a cell activator. Okay? So let's start. I prepared this pigment some time ago, so I want to like move it a little bit. Be sure that all the color is integrated. This is a really rich color, it's really cool. And I'm going to do the same with my color to go. I bought it some time ago. Normally, I like going to the store when they are on sale. Sometimes Sherwin-Williams has like 40% sales, 50% sales, and that's where I buy my colors. And then I wait until the next one, and that's what I normally do. Okay, so what are we going to do? So we are going to put some of this color here. As you know, I don't waste paint, so I'm going to put all the paint here. So let's move it around. This is perfect. And then remember to run the paint to the different edges and also on the sides. So we are going to run the color here on the side. Okay, so now what are we going to do? We are going to put some paint here, add some paint. I normally start from dark to light. So let's start with the dark color first, like a circle. Then this red violet is similar to the one that is at the bottom. Then let's going to add this magenta. Oh, this is going to look really cool. Then I'm going to add one of these really cool color. Let's play with it. It's going to look really cool. And then let's going to add the cell activator white. So it helps create really cool cells in white. And I'm going to use my little tool here that I like. Cool, look the cells. Wow. I love when it creates this type of cells. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's make it work there, and I'm going to move to the spinner. Okay, so we are going to move our paint to the spinner. And let's I need to tie this little good. Okay. Wow, look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. This is really beautiful. I don't know if to spin it another time or leave it the way that it is. Maybe a little bit more. Wow, I love it. Absolutely love it. I will not change anything about it. So let's take it out of here. Look at this beauty. Wow. So what is next? First, I need to remember that I have put something like here to avoid that the paint like drip. So I could keep the color as I wanted. So now I need to take out the tape. So the tape is gone. And now the other thing that I suggest for you to do is to take out all the painting, all the paint that is inside of the numbers, so it doesn't get clogged there. And we are going to use, let me see, I'm going to use my thin brush. Oh, this is so beautiful. So I'm going to put the brush here. Exactly, that's what I want. Because if not, since this is acrylic paint, actually I should do it on the other way. I don't want to mess with. Use a different tool here. I'm seeing some painting that is here I need to add. So give me 1 second. I was looking at the through the different wood, because this is a good base, to be sure that everything was covered, and I saw a couple of spots that didn't have paint on it. So I went and added a little bit of the paint that is still in the spin, and spin it a little bit so it doesn't look like I just added that color there. Okay, so we are going to use, instead of that brush, because that brush is not helping, I'm going to use this tool that I have here. What I want is to take this paint out of here. Look, can you see? Now it's a hole. Because if not, what is going to happen is when it dries, if I don't take that paint out of here, it's going to become kind of like plastic or like a rub, and we don't want that, right? So this is good. This is good. This has some paint here. Let's see if we can absorb it from here. This is so beautiful. Actually, what I am able to do is to tap on the back and try to make it look grown, so it doesn't. Of course, the back we will need to paint it at the end, or put like a base or something there. We are going to paint it black or another color once it's dry. Wow, this is so beautiful. I love it. What do you think? What do you think? Beautiful. We have a winner here.